so the bars aren't in the way. Here, I will try to move surreptitiously. Are you taking a video?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, cool. Or at least my arm is, not my voice.
Yeah.
Poor Cutie can't get in anymore.
Oh.
Hey.
Man, Esther's going to love this.
Thanks to Cutie, all the other birds have discovered baths. Sky looks very awkward there.
Maybe I should purchase a bigger bathtub or something.
Yeah, maybe something that can...
Maybe I'll use a Tupperware.
Well, you should probably get something that can connect to the wall. I've seen bathtubs with those hooks.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not all the way on the ground, so it's less likely that they'll poo on it or in it. Sky looks very content to be in the bathtub.
Yes.
Oh, Cutie, I think Cutie wants to get back in.
She probably wants to finish her bath.
Yeah.
The one that everybody hijacked.
Come here.